Ayan, good morning sa atong mga kahabiyas dyan. And just received a gift from our dear friend from Miss Rosen Harvison. Miss Rosen, maraming salamat po dito. And thank you so much. Never expected that I received a gift from you. Thank you so much, Miss Rosen. So ngayon, i-unbox natin kung ano yung regalo sa atin ni Miss Rosen. Okay, let's start. Don't try this at home, kids, ha? And always be cautious. Safety first. Na-busy talaga ni Miss Rosen, Gabi. So much appreciated talaga Miss Rosen for your support. Pag-alaman ko ni Miss Rosen na one of my collections, kung sila may mga collection na shoes, ayan. Tatanong ulit siya sa isa. Ito din yung collection ko, guys. You know na what I mean. Wow. I wonder what's inside the box. What's inside the box? Oh, that was it. I have here a cup. Ayun o, Miss Rosen. Maraming salamat, Miss Rosen. Oh, this wonderful cup. Wow, I love it much, Miss Rosen. Thank you so much, Miss Rosen. Oh, and there's another one. Ayun, thank you so much, Miss Rosen. And you know my favorite color as well. Thank you. Ayan. I have 2 cups already. Ayan. This cup that I have right now, ito yung birth date ng aking anak na si Yuzalan. Pag napansin nyo, that's August 9, 2015. That's the birthday of my son. And that's also the birth year na, not year, the birthday of my YouTube channel. Thank you, Miss Rosen. Suot na natin, try natin. Diba? Woohoo! Panibagong ano naman. Ayan o. I hope you like it, guys, because I love it as much. Miss Rosen, maraming salamat po, for sending me your gift. Wala po akong maisisend sa'yo, nahihiya ako sa'yo masyado. Thank you so much always for your support. May you be blessed as you share your blessing to each and everyone. God bless po, and thank you so much. This is Habi Isang Wisdom, sending you my love and joy. Bye all. God bless.